This is a brief rationale of our instructional design model. Starting with our legend, we have different learning environments and key components and knowledge bases. Instructional design starts with activating learning and exploration in a constructivist environment. That entails drawing from the curriculum or ministry outcomes as well as from student interests and questions. These should activate existing schemas. The goal of this process is to co-create learning objectives. Co-creating the learning objectives this way addresses the criticism that starting with objectives defeats the purpose of constructivism. I don't believe this is the case when done in this way because the environment itself is constructivist. These will inform the skills, key concepts, and materials required to meet the objectives. It also informs possible authentic and meaningful tasks. These are presented in environments appropriate to the student readiness for learning. From here, there will be a rapid prototyping that would identify the success criteria, the cognitive tools needed to complete or to meet the objectives, as well as to design authentic and meaningful tasks. During this rapid prototyping, we should also identify success criteria for measuring the objectives. This is done in preparation to begin students or learners on constructivist tasks of guided exploration via questioning, descriptive feedback, and formative assessment. This component has two main areas. On our right, we have a loop of students or learners accessing various knowledge bases via cognitive tools, technology. The desired result would be schema creation and recreation. They could continue on this loop as they engage with knowledge. And they begin to create their own knowledge and move toward our left side where they begin to transfer those concepts. And that is demonstrated by a variety of personally constructed knowledge products. Those, again, guided by the research and feedback, can be submitted for feedback, for formative assessment, and they will continue on that feedback loop. Also during this time of guided exploration, when students are engaging in various knowledge bases and transferring their knowledge, there will also be opportunities to revisit the success criteria based on what's happening in the classroom. Once the students have their finished product or their demonstration of personally constructed knowledge, it is submitted for student and teacher evaluation and reflection. It is evaluated on the success criteria that were co-created during the process, ultimately leading to the teacher's evaluation of the process itself based on the student products. This knowledge should inform future iterations of the unit, the lesson, or the model itself.